Mastering learning and development, building a future-ready workforce. SPHR exam training, blueprint learning and development, which makes up 23%. Our focus theme is developing talent for growth, leadership, learning, and innovation. Part 1. The foundations of learning and development. Welcome to SOAR3 360 HRM Solutions. Learning and development, or L&D, is a critical pillar of workforce success. Organizations must invest in continuous learning to build an engaged, adaptable, high-performing workforce in today's fast-paced, innovation-driven world. Companies that align their L&D strategies with business objectives experience stronger leadership pipelines, higher retention rates, and improved workplace performance. This session will introduce the foundations of L&D, including training design, leadership development, and emerging learning technologies. HR professionals are key in designing strategies that prepare employees for current and future challenges. So, let's explore how effective learning programs shape careers, strengthen organizations, and drive business success. Learning and development is more than just training programs. It's about understanding how employees absorb information, develop new skills, and apply knowledge in their roles. When building training programs, HR professionals must consider adult learning principles, instructional design frameworks, and cognitive psychology. Key factors influencing learning effectiveness include active learning. Employees learn best when actively engaging in discussions, problem-solving, and hands-on activities rather than passive lectures. Personalized learning paths. Customizing learning experiences based on individual skill gaps and career goals increases retention and application. Microlearning and gamification. Short interactive training modules enhance knowledge retention and keep employees engaged. Experiential learning, simulated training, case studies, and real-world projects help employees develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Without a structured approach to training, organizations risk ineffective learning experiences that do not translate into real business value. HR professionals must design engaging, results-driven programs aligned with organizational goals. To build a thriving learning culture, organizations must go beyond one-time training sessions. Continuous workforce development is the key to business resilience and employee growth. Succession planning and leadership development. Identifying and developing high-potential employees for leadership roles ensures smooth transitions and business continuity. Encouraging creativity and innovation. Employees thrive when given opportunities to experiment, take risks, and develop new ideas. Integrating e-learning and virtual reality, VR, technologies, AI-powered learning platforms, immersive training simulations, and digital learning libraries make workforce development accessible and scalable. On the job. Learning and coaching. Pairing formal training with real-world application reinforces knowledge and builds confidence. HR leaders must foster a culture where learning is seen as an ongoing process rather than a one-time event. Companies that embrace continuous learning strategies experience greater employee engagement and long-term retention. HR professionals often face barriers when implementing training programs, including low participation, resistance to change, and difficulty measuring ROI. To overcome these obstacles, L&D initiatives must be relevant, engaging, and aligned with employees' career aspirations. Aligning training with career development. Employees are more likely to engage in learning when they see a clear link between training and career progression. Using gamification and rewards, incentives, leaderboards, and certifications make training programs more interactive and enjoyable. Leveraging learning analytics. HR leaders must track engagement, completion rates, and skill application to measure training effectiveness, providing multiple learning modalities. Employees have different learning styles. A mix of in-person training, virtual courses, and peer learning fosters a well-rounded development experience. Addressing these challenges ensures that learning programs are completed and effectively applied in the workplace. An effective L&D program requires thorough planning, stakeholder buy-in, and alignment with business priorities. Identifying learning objectives. Clearly define what employees should know or be able to do after completing a training program. Assessing workforce skills. Conducting skills gap analyses ensures that training initiatives address actual workforce needs. Incorporating leadership buy-in. Senior leaders must advocate for and participate in learning programs to reinforce their importance. Blending learning approaches. Combining classroom training, mentorship, digital learning, and peer coaching ensures comprehensive development. A successful learning strategy is adaptable, scalable, and responsive to workforce demands. In the next section, we'll explore how HR professionals can measure training effectiveness, refine L&D strategies, and build a culture of continuous learning.